What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. So in some bullish news today, the SEC commissioner has said the SEC shouldn't hold back in approving crypto products. The US Security and Exchange Commission, SEC, Commissioner Hester Peirce has stated that the government should not limit the emergence of new products in the crypto market based on the perceived weakness of Bitcoin. According to Peirce, the SEC should not force crypto markets to be subjected to comprehensive government regulation just to deploy products on top of the market. She explained, the commission should not default to a demand that the crypto markets be subject to comprehensive government regulation as a precondition to allowing products linked to those markets to be traded in markets that we regulate. SEC should not evaluate Bitcoin markets, only viability of products like ETFs. Peirce, often characterized as Crypto Mom, emphasized that the rejection of the Winklevoss Bitcoin Trust Exchange Traded Fund was enforced due to the SEC's belief that Bitcoin markets have flaws relating to infrastructure. The issue of Peirce with the decision of the SEC, which she explicitly described through a letter of dissent, is that the SEC justified the rejection of the Winklevoss Bitcoin ETF by stating that the evaluation of Bitcoin or blockchain technology as an investment or innovation was not involved in the process of disapproving the ETF. In simpler terms, the SEC stated that the denial of the Winklevoss Bitcoin ETF had no connection to the SEC's evaluation of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as an asset class. But Peirce stated that the rejection of the ETF demonstrated the SEC's focus on Bitcoin markets instead of the ETF itself. Quote, the commissioner's order included an assurance that disapproval does not rest on an evaluation of whether Bitcoin or blockchain technology more generally has utility or value as an innovation or investment. The order, however, seemed to almost do that. It focused on the alleged flaws with Bitcoin markets rather than on the exchange proposing to trade shares of the trust had taken steps to ensure the orderly trading of those shares. Peirce said, if the SEC continues to establish its focus on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets rather than the products or instruments launched on top of the markets like ETFs, then a publicly tradable instrument approved by the SEC could never hit US markets. SEC approved instruments can stabilize markets. Crucially, Commissioner Peirce explained that, as of current, the cryptocurrency exchange market remains inaccessible to many investors, and it requires a specific set of knowledge and know-how to invest in the crypto market. She added, this complexity means that only a very particular type of investor can pursue the diversification opportunities such assets can provide. Entrepreneurs are developing new products through which people can access cryptocurrencies indirectly or hedge their cryptocurrency holdings. Bitcoin futures, for example, began to trade recently. If the SEC's concern towards cryptocurrency as an asset class is its lack of infrastructure and stability, then the SEC has to focus on providing necessary infrastructure on top of the existing crypto markets to ensure that the market is accessible by a larger group of investors. Now, this article and this news piece made a lot of really good points, and one of those points is that a lot of investors simply don't know how to invest in cryptocurrency. And for people watching this video, you might be like, well, it's not hard. You just go on Coinbase and you do a very few things. I mean, we all do it all the time when we're doing trading. We're transferring between wallets. We're logging in with our private keys, whatever. We're putting stuff in our ledger. But for an older audience, people have to understand that when they start seeing a string of characters and, you know, there's a private wallet key and there's the public wallet address, and it could confuse a lot of older investors. So being able to buy cryptocurrency as simple as a stock, like just buying it on the stock market as an ETF, that would be huge, and we would see money pour into the market. And that's part of what the article mentioned, and that is that right now only a very specific type of investor is investing in cryptocurrency, and we need that to get to a much wider range. And we could see that if the SEC does choose to approve an ETF or multiple ETFs or certain types of crypto funds, which I definitely think they will do eventually. It's just a matter of when, not if. So that's my thoughts on this. Now on to the next piece of news. Binance has launched their fiat crypto exchange in Singapore. Binance's global expansion plans to have a new milestone to reach in Singapore. Binance is setting up a new fiat to crypto exchange in the Asian hub. This would be Binance's latest global shop after Malta, Uganda, South Korea, Jersey. And I'm not going to even try and pronounce that last one. The new fiat crypto exchange goes live today. However, it is in beta testing phase and only available for a select few. The CEO of Binance, CZ, made the following announcement on Twitter, writing, quote, "I just slipped that we will begin Binance Singapore Fiat Exchange live money close beta testing on September 18th in 3 days. That is now 1 day. Inviting only first. Exciting." However, before writing on Twitter, CZ had spoken about the entity at a blockchain event. The details of this launch are not yet available. Till now, it is only known that the exchange will launch in beta and will be open for users by invite only. The number of fiat currencies supported on the exchange is also unknown, but one of them could be the Singapore dollar. Now, this is really good news for Binance. I'm happy to see they're making big moves in the world of cryptocurrency. I would not be surprised if this makes the BNB token go up a bit more, just because you own that token. When Binance has more expansion, more positive news, that token tends to go up in value. Of course, the other thing that makes that token go up in value is the token burns, which Binance does do regularly, which of course reduces supply and then makes the price of each individual token much higher. Now onto the markets for today, guys. Bitcoin up 1.31%, Ethereum up about 1%, XRP still surging a bit at 3.26%, Bitcoin Cash down 0.10%, EOS up 3.46%. A lot of very small gains today. Not huge losses for your main coins, but also not huge gains. Overall, a mixed market. We are still back at a $200 billion market cap level with Bitcoin dominance at 55.3%. If we look at the top coin gainers today, we have Wax up 15%, Rchain 13%, and Chainlink 11%. So there were some okay gainers today, but mostly mixed market, and overall we're gonna have to see where this market heads in the coming days because we have been at a standstill. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Hey guys, quick thing I forgot to mention. Don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, All About the Business. This is a channel where I will be talking about investing in non-cryptocurrency related things, as well as entrepreneurship, starting businesses, motivational type things, all of that type of stuff, e-commerce, drop shipping, SEO, that is search engine optimization, even social media marketing, digital marketing, general marketing. All that type of stuff is going to be on this channel, All About the Business. So make sure if that stuff does interest you, that you do subscribe to it. I will link it down below. It's always been in the description. Anytime I mention something, 99% of the time it's in the description. And I will also put it in the comment section and pin it there so you guys can check it out there. But yeah, if that type of stuff does interest you, make sure you subscribe to that channel. And thank you so much for watching.